Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to generate a virtual copy using Lightroom Classic. We often encounter situations where a photo is edited, but we want to try a different style and compare the results side by side to choose the best one. To do this, you simply need to create a virtual duplicate of your image. Start by ensuring your photo is imported into your library. Next, navigate to the Develop tab and make sure the specific image is selected in the film strip at the bottom. Begin by applying your first set of edits. For example, I will choose this preset, lower the intensity slightly, and add some contrast. Once you are happy with this look, you can see the before and after. To make the virtual copy, go down to the selected photo, right-click it, and select the Create Virtual Copy option. Now, you can apply a completely different look to this new version using various presets and adjustments. To compare these two edits side by side, click on the comparison button located right here. Drag your other photo into the window to display the reference and active images together. This allows you to evaluate which version looks better. You can also zoom in by clicking the magnification tool and move the images around to check the fine details. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. See you in the next one.